So this is Unit 1, Part 2 of the Ross School Guitar Curriculum. At this point, you should be comfortable playing 6 notes and moving back and forth between the first 2 strings. And if you're feeling good with that, it's time to move on to choose the song that you'd like to perform that uses these first 6 notes. You have 3 options. They're all in the Hal Leonard Guitar Book. Your options are number 16, which is called World Beat, or you can play number 17, Ode to Joy, or number 18, Blues. Just choose one of these songs. Choose the one that you're the most interested in, and then learn that to play for me and to play for the class. I'm going to walk you through your 3 options, tell you a little bit about them, and then play you an example to help you make a good decision about which song you'd like to spend some time learning. The first one is World Beat, and I would say that World Beat is probably an intermediate level song, kind of a mid-level song. It's not very long, but there are some tricky skip patterns between the 2 strings. I do like that there are lots of repeated patterns. That's why I say this is kind of like a medium level song. Here's a little bit of World Beat. It has a lot of influence of kind of Middle Eastern music. So kind of a cool, interesting sound to World Beat. If you like the sound of that, that might be the song that you want to choose. Your next option is Ode to Joy, which is, of course, a famous Beethoven melody. This is the longest of all 3 options. However, a lot of students will prefer this one because it's a very familiar melody. When you know how a melody is supposed to sound, it does make it easier to learn it. And there's also a lot of repetition. The first line, the second line, and the 4th line of the song are very, very similar. So once you've learned a small chunk of the song, you do have a good portion of it down. Here is Ode to Joy by Beethoven.